Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was devised by John Wilkinson in 1876. You can see that black has this weird setup with the 3 pawns down the centre. It's white's turn and you can checkmate in 2. If you push the pawn to c3, the king can escape to e5. You can push the other pawn, but again the king can escape, so you don't get the checkmate in 2 this way. If you take the bishop with the king can escape to e5. You can check with the pawn, but it has another escape square, so you don't get the checkmate. If you push the pawn to e3, the king can escape. You don't get any follow-ups to get the checkmate in 2. The solution to this one is to actually move the king up to f4. If black moves the bishop to say f1, the pawn can be pushed to c3 to checkmate the king in 2. If the black bishop tries to move to e4, the pawn can still push to c3. It doesn't matter where the bishop goes, you still get the checkmate. This puzzle actually has the second solution of moving the knight to g6. It doesn't matter where the black bishop moves, you can still push the pawn to c3 to checkmate the king in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.